2, 1, go!
Match 13 now underway. Winner of this is our second finalist. Ironclad and returning to the Red Alliance zone with fuel in tow. Wildstang coming back to join them over on blue. Cyberpunk and Robotics doing the same for theirs. Scoring bar briefly is appearing, but Red Alliance holding on to a strong lead coming out of the autonomous period. 103-63, a 40-point Red Alliance lead coming out of the autonomous period. Wildstang and Ironclad lining up for some last shots just in time for the Red Alliance up to shut off, growing their lead to about 80 points. Blue Alliance, though, now has the chance to close that gap. 80-20, Cyberpunk firing onto the hub. Robotics making their way over the bump, but Mechanical Mustaches slowing them down, burning away precious seconds that Robotics could be using to shoot. Robotics gets unbeached from some fuel, lines up to fire, but having a bit of trouble with defense as the Red Alliance retains their lead, and Wildstang firing back on the hub. Ironclad joining them. Wildstang with a higher arc, Ironclad with more of a line drive. Both of them dumping fuel into the hub, already on their first devoted shift, over 200 points scored. 5 seconds left to go in their shift. Ironclad taking every last second of it to their advantage, as is Wildstang. Robotics playing some defense meanwhile, trying to hold Wildstang out in the neutral zone as long as possible, preventing them from coming home or shuttling for the next Red Alliance shift. Back to the Blue Alliance side of the field, 81-22, Mechanical Mustaches flying in to try and block off some of these teams, opting to go back to the neutral zone though, flying around, shuttling some fuel possibly back through the trench to their Alliance partners, ready to go for the last Red Alliance cycle, already ahead by 85 points, looking to expand their lead. 150 points, 120-point lead now. Wildstang and Ironclad still firing away as they have been all match long. Robotics trying to clamp these robots down, but with their turrets, they just spin their shooters right along and keep on firing. As we get ready for the end game, Red Alliance holding a 190-point lead over the Blue Alliance number 2. Robotics continuing to fire in the hub. Cyberpunk and Robotics doing what they can, but Red has built up a commanding lead. Robotics from Croatia on the Blue Alliance, having some bumpers pop off their robots seemingly. They have been E-stopped as a result, holding at the Red Alliance bump with 8 seconds to go. Red Alliance cresting 400 points. Blue Alliance about to crest 200 as time expires. Our next finalist is, punching the second finals ticket, is the Red Alliance number 1. With a score of 448 to 213, they carry home the win and move on to finals match 1. That does also mean it's the end of the day for our Blue Alliance, consisting of their captain, 80-20 Cyberpunk, and their partner.